Ah, the SOTA bird in all its winter plumage glory. The nest with just one blue and white egg is seldom seen in the wild, and never in captivity. An unusual cliff-top dwelling bird, clinging to SOTA peaks and communicating the odd CQ, CQ, CQ.
CQ, 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 CQ.
In its natural habitat, the natural wonders of the Pacific Northwest. Here we can see Mount Adams from Cozy Ridge and Hamilton Butte in the foreground with some snow on it. We're scaling these cliffs here, hoping to get a sighting of a SOTA bird again. They seem to like this cliffy terrain. There's a lot of elk tracks up here. Trying to be careful that we don't scare one again. There was a hiker killed by a SOTA bird getting too close to his young a year ago, so we'll try and avoid anything dangerous. There's a little bit of snow behind those trees there. What's this? Oh my. Is that a SOTA bird egg? Oh my gosh, there must be a SOTA bird so close by. We better be careful. Let's look around here. Let's back off. Don't want to get too close to the nest. Yes, it does seem like ideal SOTA bird nesting habitat. They like a view of the mountains when they're nesting and incubating. They only have one egg every 14 years. Let's see here. There's still some snow on the hills over there. Right, let's check out over here. I don't see any tracks in the snow. Hopefully a cougar didn't eat the SOTA bird off its nest. I just can't help myself. We've been here a while and we haven't seen the bird. I need to go back and see how close that egg is, how big it is. For measurement, there's my hand. That's a pretty big egg. Oh, there's the SOTA bird. Hopefully it hasn't seen me. Must be out gathering food for its young. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh no.